Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and welcome to another episode of the Lazy Man's FUT series. Today is episode 4. It is actually episode 3, but episode 3 मैंने actually 2-3 दिन पहले shoot किया था on the day of Chelsea versus Barcelona, just 5-10 minutes before the match. Surprisingly, मैं उस मैच 2 मैच खेले थे और दोनों मैच में जीत चुका था और मैंने शूट भी बहुत अच्छे से करा था, बहुत खुश था उस दिन में.
झूठ बोल रहा है.
But then my PS5 decided कि वो फाइल करप्ट हो चुकी है. So I have a 0.2 gigabyte file on my PS5 which is corrupted. And then Barcelona went on to play like it. And then I saw Araujo do the most weird challenge of. So in this week I started my YouTube channel. I uploaded a few episodes. पहले एपिसोड में बहुत सारे माइक इश्यूज थे, किसी को आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी, किसी को गेम की गाना बहुत तेज़ लग रहा था, किसी को मैं बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहा था, किसी को लग रहा था मैं बहुत इधर देख रहा हूँ इधर की जगह. आई नो वो एड्रेस करने के लिए मैं सेकंड एपिसोड शूट करा, सेकंड एपिसोड को और बेटर करने के लिए मैं थर्ड एपिसोड शूट करा. थर्ड एपिसोड में फाइनली मैं जीता और मेरे को लगा यस फाइनली आई कैन फाइनली शो द वर्ल्ड कि नहीं उतना घटिया नहीं जितना मैं शायद गेम में दिखता हूँ.
Congratulations, great, successful person.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
PS5 ने बोला no. I think I should take that as a sign. Anyhow, in today's episode, in memory of me hitting 50 subscribers on my channel, this is a pack for the 50th subscriber, whoever that person is, and it is not worth my time. I don't think it is. Maybe it's nothing. So sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit, sometimes maybe good कब आएगा? I don't know.
अरे बेटे, तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
Anyways, we'll just start playing today's game. So today, sorry, I'm gonna take another maybe 1 more minute in telling कि Gerard Martin, we need to win 2 matches. Hopefully we can get done with them in today's episode. Actually 3-4 और करनी चाहिए मुझे, but
जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे.
the way I've been playing, let's just तो रात के 3:30 बजे मैं अपने घर वालों से डांट खा के जो गेम खेल रहा हूँ, क्या मैं उसमें जीत पाऊंगा?
I don't.
But ठीक है, let's just try. I've yapped on for about 5 minutes and अभी तक गेम खेला नहीं है मैंने. गेम खेलने का कौन सा जीतने वाला हूँ मैं? Anyways, see me struggle live in my passion. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram.
दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए. 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ.
And yeah, just a humble request. Everybody who's listening to the video, comment whatever you want. If you want to just अपने random भड़ास निकालनी है, अपने दोस्त को वो निकाल दो. Just share it as much as you need. I would like to push more on YouTube rather than Instagram. Instagram page the reel has done considerably well, but I would like it to do a little more well on YouTube.
Here's the lineup for the Vipers. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Steffi Jones starts. And it's an early lead. A terrific start.
The fuck? मार दिया भाई. That is the earliest I've scored any goal in this series, I think. अरे चल बे.
It's nice from Colomboani. Superb early effort denied by top-class goalkeeping.
Yeah, great shot, but what a save. That's a real
वो बाल सही करने में लग गया, उधर ऑलमोस्ट एक गोल खा गया मैं.
Nightmare for him that. It looked a really good chance to score. To attack now for the Lions.
Fuck भाई.
And it's on now. And a
So
really
let's go with the ball.
stop there. It's played in now.
I'm just waiting for Szoboszlai to actually be useful and contribute something.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
Equaliser. What a terrific to and fro start to the match.
Come on,
1-1. Off we go.
these guys played a little better than me, honestly.
Good ball in behind. Now composure needed. Oh yes.
Chippy chip.
Goal. Speed of
Come on, finally.
magnificently executed.
जली ना, तेरी भी जली ना.
Chip with the goalkeeper helpless. Gallagher. Doku. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. Surely now. And it's in. End-to-end stop here. The lead.
10 सेकंड लीड रखा है भाई मैं.
Vipers struggling to keep the ball. He's in here. And two becomes three as he completes his hat-trick. A superb performance. Excellent.
Come on.
The Lions have given it away. They found a way through. And they've scored again. That puts them further in front. What a position to be in.
Could be today.
सुकून का नाम सुना है? हाय हाय, इतना सुकून.
It could be today.
We restart at 4-2. The goals continue to come. Tomori. What a Bruno. Perfectly anticipated. Really well won. This to get back in it. And how was that being kept out?
Nail biting. Literally मेरा मन कर रहा था. Trejo has been fantastic. I'm going to shift him in as a central midfielder. Szoboszlai gets replaced by Güler. And Ryan Yates replaced by Matheus Nunes. So, yep, that would be my changes for right now. Hopefully, that's it.
And held by the keeper. Now, if he gets there, it's a chance. And the flag has gone up.
थोड़ा सा रह गया यार.
For me, you can only hold your run for so long.
Read the pass well and cut. This has to be. And a little lifter. Well, you have to stand and applaud when you see a finish like that. It is
Completely honest with you, मूंछ drops निकल चुके हैं मेरे थोड़े से. नहीं फट रही है बहुत जोर
ये कहाँ बवासीर बना दिए हो?
से. And I've just lost the ball. Come on. बस धीरे से रखनी. नहीं. हैंडाइक बेटिया. हैंडाइक.
He takes aim. Big save, and look where it's gone. Danger dealt with.
कुछ नहीं.
Free kick. It's a good ball in behind. Another goal, and one that surely will seal the win. Please let the fun continue as this cracking game gets going again.
Oh.
Beaten easily here. Lions finding space on the flank. And superbly ahead. Terrific defending.
If
So that will do it. Disappointing result.
Finally.
Where you slice it.
finally we have managed to win a game on camera, and hopefully this time the PS5 actually records it. तो हाथ ट्रांसफर हो गया.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
और वेट ही नहीं करूँगा. 15 मिनट भी वेट नहीं करूँगा.
They should have at least got a draw.
जीत गए भाई. इतनी खुशी तो भाई कॉलेज का कोई टूर्नामेंट जीतने में नहीं हुई थी, अभी हो रही मुझे फ्रैंकली. फाइनली इट्स अ गुड थिंग. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you actually felt कि इस बार मैं जीतने वाला हूँ, because this person has Claudia Pina in his team. That is a great sign.
Crunch time here with relegation looming. What can we expect from the
What they need.
Saar, ball lost and the chance gone. Oh, chance. Well, that hasn't taken long.
ये तो कुछ ट्रेडिशन ही है भाई. मैं पहले 3-4 मिनट में गोल खाऊंगा ही.
Go at 1-0. Szoboszlai. Terrific chance. It's in. A frenetic start.
तो एक बार वन
Once again.
हाथ रिस्पॉन्ड करा है मैंने.
That's as precise as they come. Could be. And they have the lead. Only moments ago they were behind. Strap
Happy.
themselves in. We've got one heck of a game to enjoy. shooting.
Well, they could be in here.
ये नहीं गवानी थी लीड भाई यार डैनी
We restart, keenly poised for what's next. A chance to cross here. And you can see and sense the frustration after that. It needed a more subtle, certain finish. Virgil van Dijk. Trejo. They're not getting close enough here. They're in here. And it's in to put them in front.
SKL has scored again finally. He's on the score sheet.
So yet
Come
another
on.
goal. 3-2 now and off they go.
और ये क्या था ये कौन सी प्ले पहली बार देखी मैंने प्ले स्टाइल से भाई
Well, that's going to be all for the first half
कोई
here
नहीं
at the Heinz
3-2 है अभी स्कोर अभी हम लोग एक गोल की लीड पे हैं होपफुली वी कैन कंटिन्यू दिस एंड आई वुडंट हैव टू आस्क or I wouldn't have to cut this part out of my video, hopefully. Subscribe if you like me seeing win finally. Let me know in the comments down below if you think at this point कि मैं जीतने वाला था या फिर आपको what's your prediction of this score?
Kicks off. Ina. This has to be. The goals are going to start to level heading.
एक नॉर्मली मैच में खेल सकते क्या हम मैं इतना क्रिएटिव पास को दे रहा था थ्रू द लाइंस
Ina.
मारो हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है
इरिटेट हो गया मैं इरिटेट हो रहा हूँ इस गेम से
He's run well and I thought he was in. Nicely weighted pass too, but he's offside by the narrowest of margins.
Just needs the composure now.
ये क्या हो गया
I can recapitulate like fuck इरिटेट हो चुका हूँ मैं यार
Half an hour left for play. Able to skip past his man. Well, good defending in the end, and danger averted for now. Oh, look at this. Away they go on the counter. What a chance here. It's in, and this game is lost or won.
not even gonna celebrate भाई मतलब honestly I should be up यार and बूमो के वो दो मिस चांसेस यार
Now the chance for them to pour forward. Lovely pass to take it to the end. Now this has to be. And then
बॉल बॉडी में टाइम मस्ती नहीं
what a reaction this has been. And still allowed to run on here.
Disappointed with that.
Lions pushing forward with options available. Now he's in.
इसकी मूर्ति बननी चाहिए
Oh, you might have to wait a long time to see anything like this again.
this one's actually good
They're now in front. Played through nicely. Moving. Oh, you can't stop them now. They've got another in double quick
have we
time.
turned it around have we turned pure agony into pure ecstasy
Played inside. And that has stopped any potential danger.
Yeah, it looked really promising that, didn't it?
Good ball, decent looking attack this.
Bonnie
Signing off in style.
finally,
Whichever way you slice it.
we have won 2 out of 2 matches. The L streak is over. You can now stop spamming L's in the chat. Finally, we have won. Finally, I can remove the "can we get our first W" in my titles of my episodes. It only took me 3 episodes and it's almost like 4:30 in the night. Time well spent. I've done my part. I think the evolution is also complete. And yeah, so the Tighten Up evolution is finally complete. Gerard Martin is right in front of you. Now he'll go back to the reserves. Why did I do it? So what's in store next from SingSide? So we'll be continuing this Lazy Man's FUT because again, it's the easiest content for me to make. Other than that, we have a manager mode mayhem coming up with me and two fellow Barcelona fans that I have with me. We call ourselves the Tricolores. We have already recorded and shot the video. The basic idea is we have हमने एक IPL style auction किया, but for FIFA players, and we built teams entirely from scratch, having a budget of 200 million euros each, and we decide minimum values and bid values and everything like that. It's a crazy lot of fun. A lot of fun. After a long while, I had a lot of fun playing FIFA because again, FIFA यहाँ खेला तो हार ही रहा हूँ. अब जीत गया तो शायद इसमें मजे आए, but उसमें बहुत मजे आए. That would be a terrific video. बहुत मजे आने वाले हैं. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. The handle is SingSide05. And keep commenting, keep sharing, keep liking the video. Just help me get into the algorithm. Help the algorithm push me more into it. That not make sense, but जिसको समझ आया वो समझ आया. Other than that, थोड़ा ठंड बढ़ चुकी है. Just keep yourself warm and have fun. Till we meet next time, let's keep it live.
मैं बहुत सेंसिटिव सा हूँ.